Hello students, let's continue exercise 4.1 of chapter 4th, that is practical geometry. Now we will take third sum. Parallelogram MORE. Now we will construct a parallelogram that name is MORE, where OR is equal to 6 centimeter, RE is equal to 4.5 centimeter and EO is equal to 7.5 centimeter. Firstly, we draw a rough sketch. So we draw rough sketch of parallelogram. Students, I have told you in chapter 3rd that the opposite sides of parallelogram are equal. Now we will give the name MORE and mark the measurement. OR is given 6 centimeter. So we write here 6 centimeter and RE is given 4.5 centimeter. So we write here 4.5 centimeter and EO is given 7.5 centimeter. We join O and E. This is 7.5 centimeter. Clear? Opposite sides are equal in parallelogram. So ER is equal MO. So MO will be 4.5 centimeter and OR is equal to ME. So ME will be 6 centimeter. Clear students? ME is equal to OR because these are opposite sides and MO is equal to ER because these are also opposite sides of a parallelogram. And we will write here MO is equal to ER and OR is equal to ME. Clear students? Because these are the opposite sides of given parallelogram. Now we draw base of this parallelogram. Base is OR. Now we will draw OR. OR is 6 centimeter. So we draw a line segment of 6 centimeter. This is 6 centimeter and this is OR. Now we draw MO. MO is 4.5 centimeter. So we will take 4.5 centimeter in compass and we take O as a center. This is O as a center and we will draw an arc of radius 4.5 centimeter. Clear students? So this is the arc of radius 4.5 centimeter. Now MO is equal to ER. So we draw an arc with center R. R as a center and we draw an arc of radius 4.5 centimeter. Clear students? This is 4.5 centimeter and this is also 4.5 centimeter. Clear? Now we will draw OE. OE is 7.5 centimeter. So we will take 7.5 centimeter in compass. This is 7.5 centimeter and we take O as a center. O as a center and we draw an arc of radius 7.5 centimeter. Clear? This arc intersect previous arc at point E. So this is E. Now we will draw ME. ME is 6 centimeter. So we will take 6 centimeter in rounder. You can see here 6 centimeter, and we will take E as a center. E as a center, and we draw an arc here. Now these are intersect to each other at point M. So we write here M. Now we will join MO. This is MO. Now we will join point E and point R. So it will be line ER, and we will join ME. This is ME. Now we will join OE. This is OE. Clear, students? You can see here. Now OR. OR is 6 centimeter. So we will write 6 centimeter here. RE. RE is 4.5 centimeter. ME. ME is 6 centimeter. And MO. MO is 4.5 centimeter. And diagonal OE. OE is 7.5 centimeter. So this is the required parallelogram MORE. Students, you have to write steps of construction yourself. Okay. Now we will take next sum. Part 4th, rhombus BEST, where BE is equal to 4.5 centimeter and ET is equal to 6 centimeter are given. Rhombus BEST. I have told you in chapter 3rd that the all four sides of rhombus are equal. First, we will draw rough sketch. So we draw, this is rhombus, this is rough sketch, students. Now we will give name BEST. Clear? BE is given 4.5 centimeter. So we write here 4.5 centimeter. This is rhombus, so all sides are equal. So ES is also 4.5 centimeter. ST is also 4.5 centimeter, and BT is also 4.5 centimeter. And ET. ET is diagonal of 6 centimeter. So our rough sketch is ready. Let's construct rhombus BEST. First we draw ES, and ES is 4.5 centimeter. So we draw a line segment of 4.5 centimeter. You can see here, this is line segment of 4.5 centimeter, and this is ES. Now we will draw BE. BE is 4.5 centimeter. So we will take 4.5 centimeter in compass. You can see here, this is 4.5 centimeter. Now we will draw an arc with E as a center. This is E, and we will take E as a center, and we will draw arc of radius 4.5 centimeter. So this is an arc of radius 4.5 centimeter. All sides are equal, so we will draw an arc as center S as a center, and we will draw arc of radius 4.5 centimeter. Clear, students? Now we will draw ET. So line ET is 6 centimeter. So we will take 6 centimeter in compass. You can see here, this is 6 centimeter, and we draw an arc E as a center. This is E, and we will take E as a center, and we will draw an arc that intersect previous arc at point T. So we write here T. This is T. Now we will draw line BT, and BT is 4.5 centimeter. So we will take 4.5 centimeter in compass. You can see here, and we will draw an arc with T as a center. Where is T? Here. This is T. Now we will take T as a center, and we will draw an arc. You can see here. These are intersect to each other at point B. So we write here, this is B. Now we will join point B and E. We will join point T and S, and we will join point B and T. Now we will join point E and T. Students, you can see in rhombus BEST all sides are equal and 4.5 centimeter. So we will write here BE is equal to ES is equal to ST is equal to BT. Clear? You have to write steps of construction yourself. So, exercise 4.1 has completed. We will solve exercise 4.2 in next video. Up till then, thank you and goodbye.